Greetings all. This is a skill review for Audacity. First thing we want to look at is recording. As you can see, I have Audacity up and running. And obviously because I'm recording a video, there's a little bit of a complicated audio setup that I have to deal with. But I think for just recording straight into your computer without recording video, it's not as complex. The main thing is we can start by either adding a stereo track or a mono track. Or you can just go ahead and click right on record and it's going to put in a mono track for you automatically. As you can see, it started recording. I paused it and we can see the waveforms there. And I'll just play that back for you for a second. And it's going to put in a mono track for you automatically. Now, as you can see, the volume level is a bit low. We want the volume level to be averaging around 0.5. That's ideal recording volume levels. So we can change the gain here with this recording volume controller up here. I'm going to bring that up. Now there's also settings, and you heard the volume level got louder just now on the signal going into the recording software, the video recording software as well. Again, it's a complicated setup to do this type of a thing. So now it's a little louder and we'll record again. And again, we're just using my voice. So now you can see that it's recording it at a little bit louder volume level. It's a little bit clearer this way. And that looks like a pretty good signal to record with. Okay. So I'm going to stop that. I'm going to delete that stuff that I just recorded because what I want to do is record a sound. So I'm just going to record the sound of a metal bowl. And the idea is we're recording sounds to use for our electronic music composition, our musique concrète composition. So I'm going to just kind of do this with the metal bowl, and I'll do several takes, and then we'll do some other videos on manipulating those sounds. All right, I'm going to stop the recording session right there. Now, you might be able to hear some of the background noise coming from the rest of my house. I am not in a soundproof studio, and that is one of the issues with recording sounds, is that you want to make sure that you're in the best possible environment to record with. If you were recording, say, a voice track, one of the best places to do that is grab your phone or your iPad or a laptop, and you can actually record in your closet if you have enough space. The clothes hanging there make a really good sound damper so that the vocal recording comes up pretty well. You'll get a good sound. You won't have a lot of external noise coming from the environment. Even cars going by outside the window can sometimes interfere with recording sounds. But let's just play back those 3 samples I just recorded. Okay, second one. Okay, you can still hear some of that background noise of going on in the living room, in the other room. So obviously when you're recording, when you're playing these back, you're not going to get those extra sounds coming in from the rest of the house. All right, so the next video, we're going to take one of these samples and we're going to manipulate them and create a different sound.